Square root of 49 squared plus 49 plus 50. So, para madaling masolve to, pwede tayong gumamit ng factoring. Kasi pag in-evaluate lang natin ang in-square to and then add 49 and 50, medyo time-consuming yon. So, kung kabisado nyo yung factoring, madaling sagutan ito. So, i-factor lang natin itong 49. Parehas silang may 49. So, therefore, we have square root of, factor out the 49. So, we have 49 times, may isa pang 49 na matitira dito, plus, pinactor out na natin yung 49. So, lagyan na lang natin ng 1 dito. Pag dinistribute, same yan dito. Okay? And then, add 50. Then, simplify natin. So, we have square root of 49. 49 plus 1, so we have 50. And then, plus 50. So, ngayon, another factoring ulit. Meron tayong common na 50. So, i-factor out natin yung common na 50. So, therefore, factor out yung common na 50. May matira pang 49 dito. And then, dito sa kabila, finactor out natin yung 50. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng plus 1. Pag sinimplify natin yan, magiging na siyang square root of 50. 49 plus 1, we have 50. And ang 50 times 50 equal yan sa square root of 50 squared. And alam naman natin, ang square root at ang square ay inverse operation. So, pwede nating i-cancel out na lang yan. Therefore, the answer is letter B, 50.